Introducing the ultimate kitchen powerhouse, designed for both home chefs and professionals. The top 5 best Combi oven this year combine steam and convection cooking to deliver perfectly crispy, juicy, and evenly cooked meals every time, bringing restaurant-quality results straight to your kitchen. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. TOSHIBA Combi Oven. The TOSHIBA Combi oven brings a perfect balance of power, size, and smart design to any modern kitchen. With its 1,000-watt microwave output and 1,600-watt input power, this compact yet powerful appliance ensures fast and even cooking every time. Despite its small footprint, the oven offers a surprisingly large internal capacity of 14.0 by 13.2 by 9.5 inches, accommodating a 12-inch pizza, a whole roasted chicken, or an 8x4-inch casserole dish with ease. The 12.4-inch removable position memory turntable is a practical addition that enhances convenience and ensures consistent heating. One of its standout features is the healthy air fry mode, allowing users to enjoy fried food with authentic taste but significantly less fat. The TOSHIBA Combi oven also impresses with its multiple convenience features, including one-touch popcorn, multi-stage cooking, speedy cooking, and a mute function. The easy-to-turn knobs and user-friendly control panel make it ideal for everyday use, while the stylish black stainless steel finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits beautifully in any kitchen decor. The stainless steel interior is not only durable but also easy to clean, keeping maintenance hassle-free. Whether you're reheating leftovers, air-frying snacks, or baking your favorite dishes, this Combi oven delivers reliable results every time. With its combination of compact size, generous capacity, and versatile functionality, the TOSHIBA Combi oven stands out as an excellent choice for anyone seeking efficient and healthy cooking in one compact unit. Number 2. Chef Combi Oven. The Chef Combi oven redefines versatility and smart cooking with an impressive 11-in-1 functionality. It's not just a traditional oven, it's an air fryer, dehydrator, toaster, slow cooker, broiler, and even a food proofer, all wrapped into one sleek, compact appliance. With a temperature range of 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, users can bake, roast, or broil with precision and control. The powerful 3,200 revolutions per minute DC motor ensures that meals cook up to 30% faster than conventional ovens, while the adjustable fan speeds fine-tune airflow for optimal results across different cooking styles. What truly sets this oven apart is its seamless integration with the Chef IQ app, a smart companion that allows you to control, monitor, and customize your cooking remotely. You can access dozens of chef-tested presets, adjust settings, or track temperature and time, all from your phone. This feature gives you the freedom to multitask while ensuring perfect cooking accuracy. The Chef Combi oven also boasts a generous 25-quart capacity, easily fitting a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, making it ideal for families. The built-in touchscreen panel with haptic feedback offers smooth, intuitive operation, enhancing the overall user experience. Whether you're roasting vegetables, air-frying crispy snacks, or slow-cooking a stew, this oven delivers consistent, delicious results. It's not only powerful and multifunctional, but also a great space saver for modern kitchens. Number 3. Ninja Combi Oven. The Ninja Combi oven is an all-in-one powerhouse that revolutionizes home cooking with its unmatched 14-in-1 versatility. From combi meals and combi bake to air fry, steam, toast, and even sous vide, this oven handles virtually any cooking task you can imagine. Thanks to Ninja's hypersteam and air fry technology, it delivers dishes that are crispy on the outside and irresistibly juicy on the inside. The superheated steam ensures even cooking, while rapid cyclonic air locks in moisture and enhances flavor. With the ability to prepare complete meals in just 15 minutes, this oven is a time saver for busy households. You can cook proteins, veggies, and grains simultaneously, reducing meal prep time by up to 50% compared to traditional ovens. It's perfect for large families as its generous capacity easily fits a 6 pounds roast chicken, a 10-inch pizza, or up to 2 pounds of fries. The Combi cooker pan doubles as a serving dish, and all accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. What makes the Ninja Combi oven stand out is its ability to take food straight from frozen to perfectly cooked in under 30 minutes, eliminating the need for defrosting. Its user-friendly interface, efficient design, and multifunctional nature make it the ultimate kitchen essential. Whether you're baking bread, air frying snacks, or cooking a full dinner, this oven consistently delivers restaurant-quality results. Number 4. Dreo Combi Oven. The Dreo Combi Oven, also known as the Dreo Chefmaker, brings professional-level precision and smart automation into home kitchens. Designed with culinary science in mind, it transforms complex cooking techniques into simple, one-touch perfection. Its Combi Cook technology uses a precise algorithm to manage temperature, water atomization, and convection heating, ensuring every dish achieves the ideal balance of doneness, browning, juiciness, and aroma. Whether it's a tender salmon fillet, a perfectly seared steak, or a moist chicken breast, results are consistently flawless. The oven features 3 intelligent cooking modes: Chef Mode for guided, ingredient-based presets, Classic Mode for fast, everyday cooking, and Probe Mode for those who love to fine-tune settings manually. The Dreo app enhances this experience by offering step-by-step video recipes, real-time monitoring, and progress alerts right from your smartphone. The 4.3-inch display is bright and intuitive, while the sleek interface makes operation easy for beginners and pros alike. With no preheating required, super convection heating speeds up meal prep while maintaining even results. The dishwasher-safe components and see-through glass baskets simplify both cooking and cleanup. Unlike traditional ovens, the Dreo Combi Oven offers a fully connected, interactive cooking experience that blends convenience with sophistication. It's perfect for users who appreciate technology-driven precision and crave consistent, restaurant-grade results at home. Overall, the Dreo Combi Oven elevates cooking from routine to remarkable, redefining how smart appliances can make gourmet dining effortless and enjoyable. Number 5. Nuwave Combi Oven. The Nuwave Combi Oven stands out as a multifunctional powerhouse built for healthy, gourmet-quality cooking. With its innovative combo mode, it simultaneously steams and air fries food, locking in moisture while creating perfectly crispy textures on the outside. This dual-function capability ensures that every dish, whether it's chicken, fish, or vegetables, turns out tender, flavorful, and evenly cooked. Featuring 120 preset functions, the Nuwave Combi Oven takes the guesswork out of cooking and allows you to easily prepare restaurant-quality meals at home. The advanced steam technology offers precise temperature control ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, while its sous vide feature renders fat gently for healthier results without sacrificing taste. You can control both temperature and humidity with pinpoint accuracy, adjusting moisture levels between 10 to 90% to achieve the ideal balance for any recipe. Unlike traditional sous vide methods, this oven eliminates the need for bags or water baths, making it eco-friendly and hassle-free. The toaster function also excels, producing bakery-quality bread and pastries using steam-enhanced heat. Whether you're air frying without oil, baking desserts, or creating gourmet dishes, the Nuwave Combi Oven consistently delivers top-tier performance. Its user-friendly interface and versatility make it perfect for families seeking a healthier approach to cooking. Every feature is designed to make meals faster, smarter, and tastier, offering unmatched control and convenience. With its cutting-edge technology and multi-purpose design, the Nuwave Combi Oven is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to combine healthy cooking with professional-grade precision in their own kitchen. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.